Okay, guys, this is Faz from the crypto class. As you know already, this is let me check my pic is coming fine or not. It's okay. So, as you know, guys, this is a crash program regarding the cryptocurrency who people wants. This is actually especially for the beginners, for the who people are wants to start their trading or business in cryptocurrency. They should go and visit my previous videos and get the information regarding the cryptocurrency. So, what is cryptocurrency and how it works and how they can start their cryptocurrency trading in on cryptocurrency online. They should go on they should go on my previous videos and get the information from there. Then they start their own cryptocurrency trading business. So this is for the beginners, and especially for the beginners and also for the professionals. So as I already told you, we start from last two videos, we start this series regarding the highest paid cryptocurrencies or highest paid coins. In last video, we discussed about the bitcoins, like these bitcoins, and today we will discuss about the ether or the ethereum. So we will go to our favorite site uh, like this one. Yeah, so this is a coinmarketcap.com. Here it is the, I mean, this is my personal experience. This is a very good web page and very good website which is updated regarding cryptocurrency. And it's live what's happening in the cryptocurrency globally. It's coming live and everything is updated on this cryptocurrencies. So this is my favorite site. Anybody want to get any information regarding the cryptocurrency, I suggest you come there and check it out. What's happening in the cryptocurrency market. As you know, there are two kinds of cryptocurrencies available in the there are two kinds of currencies available on the market. One is the traditional currency, and other one, the traditional currencies are the centralized currencies, which are sorry, sorry. As you know, centralized currencies are managed by their governments, and their dollar is United States of America currency, which is monetized by the government of USA and the State Bank of USA. So if you are in India, so India INR is the Indian rupee is the Indian currency, and it is managed by the government of Indian and the government and the State Bank of India. And like if I am living in Pakistan, so uh, our our currency is rupee. So this is managed by our government and the State Bank of Pakistan to check it out all the aspects according to the plan. So these are all the centralized currency, but the other one are the decentralized currency like Bitcoins, Ethereum, Tether, BNP, Solana, USDC, XRP. These are all the cryptocurrencies which are decentralized. There is no as such authority to manage and control these currencies. So Ethereum is a platform for the decentralized apps. If anybody wants to make any applications independently and want to that it goes it goes decentralized authorities I mean Google Drive. Google Drive is owned by the Google corporations. So mean it's a centralized app. But if you want to make any app which you want to, it's decentralized. So Ethereum giving you the app, giving you the platform where you go and get do some coding in Ethereum and and put their code in the Ethereum platform, which is EVM, and you can put your application in a Ethereum platform where you can sell out your apps on the Ethereum platform where you can get the rewards as a ETH. I mean, Ethereum is a platform and ETH is the coins. So look at here is right on the Ethereum, and the next part is the ETH. ETH is a coin like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a platform and BTC is a coin. So Ethereum is a platform where you provide the opportunity where you can make the decentralized app, and here you can put their decentralized apps and get the rewards in shape of Ethereum. In Ethereum and ETH is the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, as we in discussed in last video. Bitcoin is the first one, and second one is the Ethereum. I mean ETH. Today, Ethereum ETH price is 2,689.76 USDT. So from last 7 days, it's going down. It's from last 7 days, it's going down 7.59%. It's a huge downgrading. Look at the graph. If you go and open this link, Ethereum, you can see each and everything. Look at the graph. Here is going the graph. Here is going up, 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 up. But from last 7 days, it's going down. So if you want to make any trading in Ethereum, I mean, if you want to buy Ethereum and or sell the Ethereum, you should go on this coin market cap and get the information regarding the Ethereum, what's going on in the global market. I mean, Ethereum trend is going up or it's going down. Then accordingly to you should make the decision of what's happening in the global market according to the regarding the Ethereum. So today video is regarding the Ethereum. So if you want to get or buy any ETH, you should visit this site and get the information. What is the trend of Ethereum? I mean, it might be going up or it might be going down. So that's according to this, you can make your plan either you want to buy or sell the Ethereum or not. So guys, this is all today. In today video, we can meet next video with new topic. Thank you. Have a nice